Okay, well, it is definitely 10 o'clock here in the Pacific Standard Time. Well, welcome to the Late Night Game Dev channel. My name is Charles, and welcome to the channel. And today is going to be a chill Friday. Hopefully that everybody's having a good week. Think today's going to be a happy fun Friday. We're going to do chill talk, and I got a couple things. I'm gonna play some games. Probably can see up on my screen. We just finished announcing this week Pirate Software just finished announcing the oh, okay, you got the new level. Okay, so I guess today we will go ahead and try out the new level 2 as well. So today, chill, talk, play test, whatever, right? Cool. And so since we got a new prototype, let's go ahead and check it out. All right, here, let me pause this desktop. Actually, what? Let me go and pause the music for a sec. Pause that, and okay. Let's see, and then let's go ahead and run this. Okay. Let's run the game. Godot engine. All right. Boom, boom. Oh, okay. Oh, more different color trampolines. Oh, okay. All right. So this one's the super trampoline. Gotcha. Oh, and we're able to see some stuff. Small ones. Okay. Cool. All right. Oh. And I'm guessing this probably is a portal, maybe? Oh. Oh no. Okay. Guessing, yeah. So we got a little bit of an issue right over here, but no worries. Let's take a look. Okay, so we got this little guy. And oh, more gems. Oh. I kind of wonder if I could squish through here. Okay, probably cannot squish through here. That's good and dandy. Okay, let's go ahead and jump. All right, cool. Oh, let's jump there. Oh, come on. Oh my gosh. There you go. Okay. Jump. One more. Oh. One more. Okay. So so we got some, okay, got some that can be grabbed. So we got some moving platforms. So come on. Oh. Okay, come on. Okay. So we got moving platforms here, and come on. Okay. Pause, then jump. Okay. Just gotta wait. Be patient. Don't be impatient. You know what could be I know like last time we talked about how this is like a rage. You want to make it like a rage baity game, right? I was wondering. Oh, here. Let me move this further over here. Sorry about that. You could put a timer too as well. In the game, you could put a timer so that the player would feel very under a lot of pressure. Oh, okay. Oh, jeez Louise. Okay, we got that one. Okay, cool. Oh gosh. Oh man, I'm gonna feel anxious already. No. I'm I'm already feeling a little bit rage baited at this point. Come on, right there. Boom. Okay, we got this. I want to be a bronze gold. Yeah, definitely. Kind of reminds me a little bit of like I'm not sure if you played this game. I played just a little bit, like the Super Meat Boy, or yeah, Super Meat Boy. I think that's what it's called. They got the time thing. Okay, so I'm gonna. This seems to be grabbing my attention. One, two. Okay, jump, 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 jump. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. We got this. We got this. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Do I trust this? Do I trust this? Oh my gosh, yes. Mm. Oh. Yeah, I have to say, this is so far is a pretty rage baity game. Um, yeah, you probably want to go ahead and add like the restart. Just a little bit of like a restart button, going back to the beginning, especially when you build out those stages. But I think so far so good. It's it does make me feel very very nervous. But you know what? Okay, I am going to try to see if I can get really far, get all the way to the end. I'm that type of guy. You know, that type of guy who just doesn't really like to kind of give up. So we're gonna go here, go here. Okay, no, no, no. Okay, come on, be patient. Okay, okay. Yeah, I think it is pretty fun. It is pretty fun so far. So, my gosh. We almost got this, almost got that. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Okay. I would say, I wonder how do you feel if you make the controls a little bit more tighter? So meaning that, um, and this is where I'm not quite. I don't know how to really implement it, but um, it's like if you can somehow make the controls a little bit more sensitive in the sense where, um, when I'm trying to like jump off the wall off the the edges, that is Zenva a ripoff? Is Zenva a ripoff? I'm not sure what's a Zenva. Oh yeah. Yeah, you might want to kind of explain that a little bit. Oh my god, this is okay, okay, okay. We got this. We got this. We yes, yes, yes. Okay. Okay, one, two. Okay, we almost got it. Oh, okay. So you got the more of a platformer. Jumping. Oh, this is good. You're introducing now. Oh god. Oh god. Oh my gosh. What are you doing? What are you doing to me? Oh gosh. Oh man. I'm not loving this. This right here, this cliff, it's giving me anxieties already. Especially how far I gotten so far. Uh, yeah. Yeah. So far, yeah, it is really fun. Oh, classic. You want let me, if I may, Zenva classic. Oh, oh, okay. So not not this though, right? Yeah. What from Zenva Academy school? Oh. Hmm. Okay. Um. Okay. Well, if you don't mind me asking, um, what's a bit of a educational background, if I may ask? Um, because I would actually, you know, I actually talked to a similar, another person, who kind of has a questions to, and he's based in UK, and he was asking about, he's doing CS, right? He's also making a game too as well, but he's kind of doesn't know like which direction um, that he kind of wants to head towards too. So, that a little bit more info, like what's your thoughts and whatnot. And don't worry, take your time. Take your time. Oh, you're in fifth. Oh, okay, you're in fifth grade. Oh, okay. You know what? Let's take a look. Zenva Academy, trusted by 1 million learners. Develop a complete 3D performer in Godot. Okay. Wow. Well, since you're in fifth grade, right, and you're wondering if taking this course is going to be worth it, right? I would say, oh, oh, you only made it to fifth grade. Oh, I'm sorry. Gotcha. Okay. Okay, gotcha. Um, so what made you feel like you wanted to go ahead and perhaps take a course, right? Was there something that um that you felt like as if like you could get more expertise on? Um, what's part of your reasoning to getting doing the course, or thinking about doing the course? Yeah, I'll probably maybe go ahead, keep on. And I guess if you're typing, or if you just don't feel like sharing, yeah, YouTube tutorials are, yeah. So yeah, they do kind of have an expiration date, especially with Godot. I definitely agree that the YouTube tutorials not cohesive or finished. Mm, you're right. You're definitely right about that. I find it that it's either just like small chunks going along, um, and it's pretty old too, right? 2023. It just seems as if like the top searches are very like really old, right? Like Godot 3. I mean, there is a community. I think, dude, listen, there is so I do have an artist. She has she has like she's her job is art professional, but she wants to do programming too, right? And what she did was, or what she's doing right now is the called like the 100 games challenge, I believe. 100 games challenge. Refer to challenge. Video games. Click game record each. Z League. What's this? Okay, you know what? 100 games. Creating challenge. Oh my. Okay. What game dev challenge? Okay, you know what? Let's just take a look. Game dev challenge. So let's see here. I think this was progressively more difficult. So yeah, they're just starting out. You guys want 2016? Yeah. Okay. Pong. There should be some sort of a list. A promos guide to create art. Okay, you know what? I probably need this one. But let me go ahead and find you this list. Excuse me. Okay. I wonder if I can find this. Yeah, that's the thing. It's like, so 80. So I guess but probably like think about it like this way, right? You spend $80 a year, right? But you know you have a case where you know life gets in the way, you know things happen, and you don't have enough time or you can't commit to it, and so you can't get that $80 worth, right? Because it's a subscription, right? With these courses, um, so it's I guess you have to ask yourself the question of, well, can I go ahead and get the $80 worth? You know what? Since we're on here, right? Complete Godot hour 2.3 hours. Oh, you access this for free. Let's see. Design custom any behavior, seamless transitions. You know what? Since this is free, you can try this out. Oh wait, build a 3D platformer. Come on, give me a sec. Um, Maybe probably not what you want, but let's see here. Godot, create a 2D Godot platformer. Set function, basic UI, add collection system, coin collection system, or lifetime for 500. Okay, I'm gonna say this kind of for me. Um, Going through for me, it's more of. I mean, I don't necessarily think for me it's worth it, because I'm, by profession, I do software. I do software testing, and so I do write code. Uh, you know, kind of in my previous job life, so I could kind of find things on and just kind of build things out as I go along. Um, and I kind of worked in software testing for 8 years. Sure, I was QA, but I did test automation, meaning that I write code specifically for test the developers' application, and their testing stuff. So in my case, right, since I kind of know how systems would interact with each other, and that I understand, like, hey, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and dig around. I know exactly what I wanted, what kind of features, even like just having the ability to kind of like, hey, okay, I don't know this part, but I'm going ahead and find out. I wouldn't say this course is necessarily helpful for me, for people like me, right? But in the case where if you need a little bit more structures and more familiarity with just the tooling, right? The tooling of it, maybe perhaps the GD coding style, whatnot. This course might give you that introduction per se. And I'm gonna say up front, I haven't used Zenva before. I was just actually um I only used Godot since last year, and that was only for a game jam. Um, I really just been playing around with it, and just looking things up, you know, just like in my devlog streams. So the only use for me is probably like, oh, I get to know, okay, what does these things do? And I think there's a video that tells you like introducing all of Godot's elements in 10 minutes. Like me, So that's that. I hope that's kind of a little bit helpful to you. Um, you know, it kind of depends on if you need more structure, or if you are the type of person's like, you know what, let me go and figure this out. I'm going to create a system, a blueprint of what things that I wanted to add in my game, and then I could go and find tutorials and other stuff, and of course it does take time. Um, I think probably interesting. Use persistent data across scenes. I mean, if I just do this, use persistent data systems, Godot, right? And July 2024, I could kind of figure that out. Um, so yeah, I mean, hopefully that was kind of helpful to you, in kind of or deciding on not whether or not if it's actually worth it. Um, so, um, but yeah, I mean, and I'm gonna be honest with your game. I could kind of see that you have some understanding of like how games, especially your. Sure, yeah. Go ahead and go ahead and try it. Do the free access, right? Free access. Dip your toes in, see what it is, and then or you can just get it. So that's just my 2 cents. Yeah. Um. Yeah. Okay. You know what? I definitely did see, to kind of switch gears for a little bit. I wanted to see. So Elon Musk did say that you could build a game. Here, let me just look at this post. Go back home. Ooh, okay, cool. Yeah, Elon about games. Grok 3 games. It's good for making games feel like an art. Quite amazing. Hmm. Okay, you know what? I'm going to really ask this question. Build me a a game 2D side scroller game with lasers. Wait, what? Pip install game left and right. You need to install Pi games. What? Decode this yourself. Key features. Draw platform. Okay. Last thing you want to generate an image of the game that looks like. You know what? Yeah. Yeah. Give me an image. Okay. What? Side scroll 2D. Oh, 2D side scroll shooter. Oh. Okay. This one looks kind of a little bit funny. um. But yeah. Actually, what I probably should say. I meant 2D bullet hell. Wait, did you ask for image item markup based on this bullet hell? Visual ship center, dodging lasers. So, give the pseudocode. Okay. I mean, okay. I mean, yeah, it does. Seems like it will generate the assets of it, but wait, what the heck? So, whoa. Okay. What the heck is going on? Jeez. Okay. I mean, I guess it is a pretty interesting concept, using AI to generate your basic code, because in when I was learning Python from kind of from launch school, right, or just from school, right, you're going to write a loop, right, to write loops, and everything else is going to be within that loop. So, you know, in a bit of a way, it kind of does make sense, right, to have like a looping state. Um, and with Tetris is right. I mean, let's say it this way. Yeah, again, another loop, right? Loop, scores, combinations. It's all in a loop, and you have a set defined number of the shapes, right? The T shape, the Z, the L, the square, and then you just give it a random next piece, right? So I mean, I guess you can build that kind of game. So I guess it's help your ideas with a model. I I don't know. This yeah. Yeah, I guess. Okay, you know what? XAI, huh? XAI Game Studio. Wait, okay. So Elon Musk announces the launch of Game Studio Epic Games and the creation of photorealistic games with Grok 3 chatbot. Um. Okay. Okay, so their intentions of creating a studio for this. Um, oops, I did not say. I did not do what. What I was trying to say is that, um, yeah, I mean, Elon Musk announcing a game studio to try to to do incorporate more of AI into the whole game development process. Um, I would say is that that's great. Um, that's great. Um, I mean, it should hopefully it should speed up development for the game. Um, because essentially a lot of the games, if you were to think about it, right, the basic core element of the game, with like for example Castlevania, Metroid, right, it's a platformer, right? So if you're able to templatize that, right, templatize it in such a way, get the basic boilerplate code out, and then you could customize the code. Um, that that kind of makes a lot of sense. But in but if I were to say, you know, create a variation, and I do think Grok or any of the AI. So I do use a Chat GPT. Um, the coding aspect of it, right? You could tell it to, hey, can you build this stuff out for this? Um, you definitely can as well to add like um, other functions and features. Um, and of course, I had never used Grok, but I did try to use like Open Sora, and I'm not quite convinced on like the art aspect of it. Right? It was just like, for example, right? Um, when when you are trying to when you are trying to I don't know, my desktop. Ooh, hello. Uh-oh, what's going on? Let me just double check. Hello. Testing 1 2 3. Hello. Testing 1 2 3. Hello. Oh, okay. Cool. Sorry. Yeah, my OBS, like right now, my OBS right now, it's showing me like, hey, your desktop audio is not functioning. I really don't know why. um, but yeah, I used OpenSora, and I was trying to get this right. This look, for my channel, and it was really a pain in the butt, pain in the ass, because it's like I'm describing what it looks like, but I kind of want it to show me it, but the art, it's just not there. If Grok 3, the Grok 3 beta, can do this stuff, um, you know, this one seems to be kind of weird or funky. It needs to be more refined, more controlled. Then, um, AI art is here, right? And there's that relationship in a better way, right? Artist now knowing, actually, artists can actually do the code work, right? And they could just customize the art of how they want it to, how they want it with their art skills. And the reverse is like, okay, well, developers, right, who don't necessarily have the art skills, can then use AI to generate the art. And then you're gonna get into the whole hot mess of, well, AI art is gonna take over artists' work. And I'm not gonna really kind of go there, but I think this is pretty cool, right? This is a pretty cool concept, and no, not concept, really cool. It's a very disruptive implementation. You know, I think right now, kind of a bit like ChatGPT. Kind of wait and see how Grok does this stuff. Because right, it's still in beta, and I do wonder, is it gonna? I mean, ChatGPT, Grok 3, yeah, Sam Altman versus Elon Musk. Who's their competitor? So who's essentially gonna win, right? But that being said, so I'm gonna go pivot back to, I think for today we're going to, I guess I got some time to go ahead and try out some of these games, and these games. Of course, go ahead and ignore this. This is my secret list of folks who actually subscribed, added me as a follower. So, you know, I'm planning to do something special once we reaches a certain number, a certain number. And of course, I think right now my screen's kind of bare. It doesn't have the Twitch like, oh, how many followers you have. Yeah, not yet, not yet. Let me kind of. I do have a backlog of videos that I kind of need to do first. So this is second. So I'm going to try to catch up on those videos. Actually, you know what? Well, I should do this. As we're talking about videos, because since I'm doing it on Twitch now, right? I do believe that YouTube is a great place to. It's. YouTube is I think it's the only place really that you can just stream and forget, right? You stream, it's gonna always be there. It automatically saves that video. I just don't really like Twitch's Twitch. Yeah, you can, but you gotta pay for a premium, or you gotta be big enough, right? Well, you know, I just started out, so I'm gonna go with whatever solution is easy at the time. And for right now, I am going to. Let's see. Okay. Devlog 7. Okay, we've done that. Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and release this other video. So definitely. Sorry, apologies. And I'm just going to head and set it this to public. Right. Bam. Done. Okay. Oh, yeah, dev streams. Yeah. I know it's going to be a little of a manual process of like, hey, I'm going to, grab the streams from Twitch, because of their, I think it was a 7-day rule of they're going to keep your video up for 7 days and they're going to delete it. Yeah, I guess you gotta thank the big streamers, right? They've been streaming forever, and with Amazon, they're always about cutting budgets. Budget this, budget that, and so, if you're not worth anything to them, so be it. Okay. So first game, going back to games. Okay, so the winner of the Pirate Software Game Jam. Oops, sorry. Right here was a Shotguana. And it's a kind of like a Mega Man, a BattleNet style, the type of game, where you have your 4 square panels, and you get to use some power ups and whatnot. It's really actually, my first email was actually heavily influenced. Email that I have was heavily influenced by Mega Man BattleNet game. So I was a big fan of it. That being said, we're gonna go from the bottom list, and you see all of this 11 here. They are top honorable mentions. It includes, the game that I worked on with my, with my friends, our team. And great news is that we're going to go ahead and continue on building out this game, this prototype. So definitely stay tuned on that, and whether or not if I could stream the development process of the game, I'm going to ask. Right, I'm going to ask the group to see if I can. That way, you guys can, get the inside scoop about it. But yeah, for the stream, I think I did play the game on one of my previous streams on the YouTube. So I'm not gonna play that one, but I actually am going to play the other ones. And I think for today, since right now my streaming hours are Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Monday, Wednesday are for development. Fridays for just chill, relaxing, talking, get to know folks, play test, some prototypes, working prototypes, just like water bottle, your prototype. Hey, I do hope you'll keep at it, and just I think you probably could make a prototype out of it. That and I would love to always be I'd love to go ahead and give feedback on again just my thoughts, but love to see you continue working on it. But yeah, so without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at this one, Solar Bloom. Okay, let's take Solar Bloom. Okay, Solar Bloom is a comic simulation arcade roguelike in which you play as a lone star. Okay. Try to create and maintain a solar system as long as you can. Choose one of the 3 stars. Manage your resources. Make crucial sacrifice. Oh, okay. Alright. So there'll be tough choices. Cool. Controls left click, shoot a solar flare and destroy asteroids or planets. Although you might avoid that planets. Okay. Use a solar wind to pull planets closer to your orbit, and even in yourself for some sweet bonuses or asteroids to create. Oh, okay. All right. Okay, so there is a scoreboard. Okay. Choose your stars. Let's go ahead and play. Drum roll. Da, 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 da. Okay. Ooh. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do a quick test after this, but just go do it. The game. Pretty cool using the shaders of it. You know, to make it look as if like a solar or star. But let's go ahead and try this. Oh. Okay, so I'm. Okay. Oh. Okay. Score added. Okay. Okay, so my scores are here. So 79, right? Okay, let's do a complete refresh. I'm just curious whether or not if they actually gotten this scoreboard networking working. Two, three, four should be 79. Oh wow, okay. So they do have a network, I'm guessing. Or some sort of way ability to go ahead and track but yeah. Okay, you know what, let's just try this. Okay, let's go yellow star. Arrow key AB, a certain company code. Arrow key and AB or AD. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay. So I guess the question is like, when did the... Oh. Okay. I kind of do wish the planets. Interesting. So I'm guessing the power ups is going to be shooting stuff for me. Hmm. Uh, oh. Okay. Okay, so there's a collision between. Oh. Okay, I mean. So I guess you have to go ahead and balance between, you know, how much. Oh, okay. Okay. Too much now. Okay, I mean. Guessing it's a pretty interesting. Okay. Um. Yeah, just quick UI thing. No need for a quit button. No need for a quit button if you're going to show this on HTML web page, right? Just remove that. But you know, I'm just kind of not quite getting the mechanics for the drawing. So the gravitational forces, I understand that. But I think my question was like how am I, drawing in the planets, right? Because you saw that sometimes just like the planets just like popped out of nowhere. I'm like, okay, did I draw them in or something? What kind of happened, right? Um, I guess Cosmic Simulation Arcade Rogue, like, yeah, I guess, yeah, I can see it. Rogue, like, if we're talking about like procedurally generated enemies, and whatnot, yeah, okay, that's understandable. Um, Other than that, yeah, I think not not a bad concept, but I kind of question is what's kind of next, right? What's kind of next for the game? So yeah, not bad. Okay, not bad. All right, let's go ahead and get to this one. Mist Realm, the king who was trapped in a curse. Okay, let's go and take a look. Okay. Oh, a deck builder, RT, RTC, and strategy. So maybe RTS. With maximum resolution, event problems are higher. Please use this one. Okay, story. In The King Who was trapped in a cursed sword, you must travel to find the wizard who betrayed you, trapping your soul in a sword before he dies of old age. To achieve this, you'll attract heroes that you control and guide towards your goal. Literally, in this game, you are a sword. However, there's a twist. You use the hero as a vessel to achieve your goal and freedom, while using them as weapons. The ones you discard or place without hesitation. Okay. Alrighty. Interesting. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh no, nice. Okay, so made by Unity. Controls. Before he dies of old age. Okay. Alright. I see this is on purpose. That's fine. That's fine. Oh. Oh snap. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Let's just start. Oh. Ooh, not pretty good transition. Where the wizards rule with might granted. There lived a king both just and wise, beloved by all, their hearts his prize. Yet a friend from youth, consumed with envy, dreamed of the throne and its grand assembly. His castle's splendor, the people's devotion, and his queen's love his deepest emotion. With cunning and craft, a dark scheme he wove, binding the king in accursed blades' hold. A portal he summoned to lands unknown, to exile the king to caverns of stone. In shadowed dungeons with strength diminished, he plotted a way to have the curse finished. To touch the blade was to bind one's soul. The king would lead their fate his goal. For only by slaying the vile deceiver could he break the spell and rise as a redeemer. Okay. Okay. So, okay. Choose your dude. Choose your dude. Nymphadora. Oh, okay. Okay, so health, luck, 7. 23 months. 92. Oh, this guy seems to be quite chunky. Oh, okay. So this guy's about speed. Now, what is this guy? This guy is somewhat speedy too. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. It's gonna be Zoo. I mean, I guess this guy seems to be not bad. Oh, okay. Okay. Interesting. Okay. So a bit of a auto battler. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna stack. Oh boy. Okay. Ooh, I need to heal this guy. Oh boy, this is not good. No bueno. Okay. double heal. Okay. Damage based on users injured. Okay. Let's fight. Let's go. Cool. Okay. Oh man. Okay. I was different. Not. It's a little bit like inscription, huh? So I kind of want to... wait, what? So tavern, forget. But I can't forget. Okay. So wait, ooh, this is being really nice. Oh gosh. Oh, okay. So looks like you gotta work a little on the UI there here. But buy, sell. Gonna click on this. Yep. Well, since I'm poor, can't buy anything. To be able to sell here says strange whispers in the local campsite. Some believe it's a trap banshee, while the other thinks it's an acoustic trick. I'd like to investigate and tell me what you think. 51% success. 15 plus 15 on accept. So the source of the sound was literally a slippery wraith. Don't worry, she won't bother anymore. Oh, sweet, got money. Ooh. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna go here. I need to buy some upgrades. What gun must be in a supply cart? We need something to drown one before. Sure. Oh, okay. So not really punishment for accepting. Okay. I'm definitely gonna need a heal. Definitely. Yep. Okay. It's good. 40 gold. Oh, looks like got a bad boss. Sinfudo. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to basically do some damage. So, gotta balance out. Oh. Okay, so I do have this XP, right? I wonder when can I use it? Okay, so what does it say? Slash and stab your ground. Okay, so question is, okay, I'm clicking this on forget thing, but I don't know why can I not forget. Oh, I guess it costs money to forget. Okay. So, you know what? I think basically you probably just want to accept them all. Okay. What's this one? Cool. Okay, stand your ground is not bad. Oh, snap. Oh. Okay, it looks like a little bit of a didn't generate. That's okay. Oh, I forget what's this. Oh, how much time you have left? Oh, okay. Okay. So, stand your ground. Definitely gonna heal. Okay, double heal. Attack. Oh, snap. Wow. Wow. Stand your ground just seems to be overpowered. Okay. So got lots of money now. Okay. Hmm. So go ham on this guy. Uh-oh, I'm dead. Oh, critical. Well, I think this guy's gonna probably be dead, unfortunately. Unless I get some heals. Oh. Ooh, okay. I might be dead. I'm still alive. Okay. Cool, I've been critting this guy. Okay. So where's this EXP kind of am coming from? Oh, okay. Jeez, okay. Okay, I don't get a shot. Yeah, I'm gonna need to heal. Yeah. Uh-oh. Okay. This guy looks mean. So it looks like stand your ground is actually pretty nice. Uh-oh. Okay. Well. Get a lot of gold. Okay, I'm gonna reduce that. Okay. Yeah, it unfortunately does seem to be quite. I just keep going. Fight, 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 fight. Yeah. Lightning. Double. That. Fireball. Fireball. So I can do a big one. Then a bunch of heals. But it's kind of a bit strange though that like a rogue like person does damage. I mean, does magic damage. Okay. Yeah, it does seem to be kind of long. So guard break, lightning, maybe a heal. So I'm guessing probably going to fight the floor boss or something. So just money EXP. I mean, oh, okay. 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 So that's where you put your EXP. I'm like, what's the EXP do again? So I put tons of attack. So let's Shazam. Let's get them, boys. Oh, he's gone. So I got, I guess, like a reverse counter. Oh, okay. Yeah, I gotta need some heals. Oh, okay. Okay, I think probably should get some of the boss. Or something. So, oh, off-top questions. Have you ever stepped on a bug on purpose before? And if yes, will you ever do it again? Would I step on a bug? Yeah, I kind of would. Um, because I think, yeah, I probably would. I mean, I think like what a bug like spiders, right? Like, yeah, they're great, you know, eating mosquitoes and whatnot. But you know, I definitely would if it's like mosquitoes. Like, they need to go. Need to go. Bye bye. You know, I can't. Mm-mm. I mean, I don't know why on God's nature is mosquitoes ever invented. You know, like they bite you and then just like they just leave that itchy bump. And the worst thing is like you just sometimes just don't feel it, or you hear something here like the, you know, those noises. I'm like, you know, okay. And which bugs? Okay, which bugs would you have to step on before, if you remember, or would like to step on if you had to? I don't know why. I kind of get the satisfaction of like ants, like stepping on the ants. um, or maybe aphids. I don't know. So, which bugs have you had to step on? Um, Probably the pill bugs too. Pill bugs, earwigs. Yeah, I definitely step on those because I believe like what earwigs are like termites, right? They're bad for your house. So the you know kill one. I guess one less termites earwigs to deal with. Um, let's see, and I think for let's see, which bugs would step on if you had to? I'm gonna say, if I see a black widow, I'm gonna kill it. I am not. Mm-mm-mm. You know, after you know reading about how painful black widow spiders sting and bite, I'm that shit. Mm-mm. Go bye bye. Mm-mm. Nope. Poisonous. Yeah. I remember there was a time where, um, I did Boy Scouting, so there was a lot of camping, whatnot, log cabin. We sleep in those wooden cabins, kind of somewhere out there, and also in the boonies, but just out there, right? In a little bit more nature on the nature side, and I saw a guy. I heard a guy was like he was like shouting in pain. And apparently he got bitten by spiders, and that was like the first time I've heard that. And reading about like Black Widow or Brown Recluse, they're gone. Yep. Mm-mm. I those things are gonna die. they would die by my hands, that or die by my feet. So, yeah, definitely, yeah. All right, you know what? Okay, what? Maybe I got. That's an interesting question. I guess in a bit of way, it's like, which, which bug can you do without? Oh, please. Oh, yeah. It would be, yeah. I mean, because like aphids, right? Aphids and pill bugs. I mean, they're harmless, So I could, if they're a nuisance, just step on it, get rid of it, and go. Right? Aphids, I just don't know why they're like stuck somewhere in the house. You know, and then okay, aphids. The thing about them is that they leave these like really smelly residues, and especially if I smush it with your hand, or if your shoes, they have this little odor that comes from out of it. So yeah, not surprised about black widows. Yeah, I mean, those things are nasty. Cockroaches. Okay, cockroaches. I know that in Asia, in Southeast Asia, and actually even in the South too. So when I used to live in Atlanta, those cockroaches, like if you, yeah. Oh no, nope, no shoes on. I just like, yeah, you know. I, hey, if it's a black widow, okay, yeah, I'm gonna, I'm gonna use a shoe, or actually, yeah, a shoe, protect my hands just in case it's starts squirming and shit. Um, Shoes. It's okay. Yeah. Yep. I mean, I did both, like hand slapping and stepping on the shoes. But yeah. Um. So with cockroaches, I know in an apartment that I rented, it had a big giant cockroach. Right. There was a big one. Right. I guess you said this big. I from the looks of it, it probably came from like the sewage pipe, and it seems like nobody really was able to kill it. Um, that being said, uh, if it's like they have infestation, I wouldn't necessarily kill it, because I know that I saw there's an ad, right, where the you let the cockroaches like carry that poison chemical back to its like nest, and then you would kill, and then that nest would like be covered with all the poison, and you would just the nest die. So you got rid of the source of the problem. So, but any other time with cockroach, yeah, I'll step on it. No, it's like nope, gone. Yeah. Okay. Okay. For the purpose of these questions, it's only if you're wearing a shoe on your feet. Yeah. 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 I mean, where I used to, well, I'm currently living in the Pacific Northwest, right? So we definitely got quite a bit of bugs around, but the I guess they're like kind of like not really harmful, or not nuisance or a pest. But in I used to live in Atlanta. Man, that ugh. Yeah, there's some places that I just like. Oh gosh, the cockroaches are you know are quite something. Yeah, like I mean I should expected it. I should expected that. Hey, you're, you're living in the south, a more warmer area. Yeah, just never thought that I'm gonna see cockroaches because I used to live in I used to go visit your my grandparents in Taiwan and those places. Yeah. So okay then. Since you have done it before, would you say you step on it to kill it? Wants to kill it. Yeah. Twist and drag my feet too. Because the thing is like you step on it, right? Those critters sometimes can be pretty resilient. Like like why would you if you just lightly tap, they're just like you know oh they're not dead. Like I only step on them just to ensure that they don't come back alive. Because like for example with spiders, right? You just you step on that, right? And it's still running around, wiggling. So you committed it. You commit to doing the deed. Well, you might as well finish doing the deed. I see. Put it this way: if I'm the spider and I'm getting smushed, I kind of want to be like gone, right? Gone. I don't want to be like, and still like trying to, I guess my internal organs are like splattered and like, not half, half. I'm pretty much like half dead at that point. So, yeah. Here, let me go keep on going for this one. Just so I'm just curious. Oh, what the? Yeah, resume game. Oh, Mo said that as well. All right, last question for you. Feel bad if the bugs was a mother with babies? Sorry for the bug question. I had a reason for asking, but want to ask these first. Okay, I definitely will answer them. We'll answer this question. I mean, I'm just curious though, like why you're asking those questions. Just to get your thoughts. Would you feel bad if the bug was a mother with babies? Bugs with babies. Okay. So let's just say like this, for example. Like, spiders with babies. Um, I won't feel bad, but I'm not going to step on it. If that makes sense. Because the reason I said this, right? Because you stepped on that mother with the babies, right? You know what's going to happen? You may not fully step on all of it. You know, and they're going to spread out, and then be like, ah, shit, and ah, shit. now you got like somewhat of like an infestation you gotta like to deal with, like. And with that being said, though, right, that infestation you're gonna be dealing with, it's a it's a pain in the ass. I think I probably, yeah. So being feeling bad, no, 100%. I mean, but I definitely won't step on it. Rather, I probably would try to find something to like get them all. Right? Hopefully, that's an acceptable answer. Uh, yeah, it's just not, you know, it's just not the. Oops, sorry. Oh, oh, okay, sorry. Um, yeah. Um, yeah. I mean, I definitely won't feel bad. I mean, and if the chance is like just a couple of bugs, right? Just get rid of it. Oh, but yeah, I mean, I'm kind of curious though. Like, curious responds. I'm kind of wondering why you ask these questions. You pique my curiosity. And on a quick side note, right? This game, the king was trapped in the cursed sword. Um, I think it was a nice mechanics, but um, I think from a it seems to be kind of a this game is kind of built more of a progression, kind of an auto battler esque ish. It did my interest kind of did fall off a little bit because I mean I kind of I liked a little bit more difficulty, but once I gotten the standard ground one, I was like, okay, get 50% HP, do double damage, 2x damage, and the guy's gone, right? The enemy's gone. Um, there's definitely a lot of content. Uh, the shops was quite. Shops was okay. Um, I mean, I think with any prototype, the problem issues list, like, yeah. Okay. So then, the reason I asked you is because I was going to ask you if you're able to participate in a YouTube challenge to step on a bug. If you have YouTube to post on, it's based on the movie Men in Black. Yep, Men in Black. Will Smith and Tommy Lee Jones. If you've seen it, I know you don't step on it much, but would it be a challenge you could participate in? Um, I would love to, but I don't think I can at this point. Um, yeah, it's just I think right now the bugs they're not coming out. Mm-mm. You know, and I don't run, and unfortunately I don't see it, over here at this point. Um, but maybe in the spring. I mean, right now it's just still winter, so they're kind of sleeping and stuff. So yeah, sorry, man. Yeah. I mean, sorry, curious. I don't know why I would just call you a man. I'm so sorry. um, but yeah, but maybe you could ask me another time. I think usually maybe around springtime. But I mean, if you have a YouTube channel, maybe I could go ahead and just check it out. I mean, I'm not sure if you were kind of done this YouTube challenges before or whatnot, but kind of take a look and whatnot. Um, yeah, you could try asking again, um, and see if I got some time. But yeah, at this point, yeah, I can't. Sorry. Yeah. Um. Yeah, but I mean, if you want, have you have you done this challenge before? I mean, you know, I guessing perhaps, to just kind of give myself some more context. Like, what is this the challenge of stepping on bugs? Um, you know, any information you could give me, that'd be great. Oh, that was the right movie, however you mentioned. But yeah, great if you can participate later on. I don't have a channel yet, but hope that if I have enough Twitch users can participate, we can do a montage. But do you have a Discord or Instagram? I can send you a reminder of. Oh, okay. This, um, yeah, hmm. Yeah, I think my Discord is here. You know what? Just for everybody, too. Wink, wink. Here, let me describe my Discord. Yeah. Oh, come on. Where is it? Where is it? My Discord. Am I? Hopefully. Yeah, definitely. Here's the Discord invite, and just inviting folks to come, join, chat, talk. You know, it was taken from an old TikTok challenge, but there was a lantern Fletcher, so I could get an idea. But gotcha. Yeah. Oh, jeez. Oh, and thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. Really, really appreciate it. Yeah. So when it comes to springtime, yeah, just come and ask again. Hopefully, I do have time. Um, you know, I'll just kind of say it straight up front. I do have some couple things in the pipeline, but yeah. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Um, okay. So where I am from, hmm. Okay, now let me think about this some more. Right. Okay. So Pacific Northwest, it does rain a lot. Rain too much. You know what? Maybe April. What? So and can you do any kind of bugs too? Most people just do spiders, beetles, cockroaches, crickets, or even worms. One user did the most with 6 beetles. Ooh. Um. Okay. So it's like how many bugs you would step on, right? That's kind of like the challenge. I guess in a bit of a way. Wow. Now you kind of mention it. If it's, I guess if it's, yeah, maybe I try to get asking April, but if it's like, yeah, I mean, it kind of depends if I could see a, yeah, I see a bug. Yeah, I mean, we just have to see. Yeah, we just have to see. Yeah. Gotcha, gotcha. Like, okay, cool. Yeah, that makes sense, right? Yeah, that makes sense. More of a challenge. Yeah, but yeah, you know what? Let's see in April. If it got time. Yeah, maybe May too. You know, it it just kind of depends. You know what? The more I kind of talk it out with you, I'd probably be like Plan C. Like if you got Plan A, like hey, these are the people that you wanted to ask if wanted to step, but yeah, probably may see it a bit. Um, but um, right now there's the more I kind of more as that we talk, I feel like I probably won't be able to do this challenge, because there are a couple of things that, um, well, I'll just give you the download. Um, so my group, my team, we actually won the Pirate Software game. We didn't win it, but we got honorable mentions, and we're going to be pushing for, um, what you call it, on Steam. Um, so yeah, it yeah, we're I'm gonna be quite busy, and I do have, um, if things do go well, um, there's current like an apprenticeship that might happen too as well on my end, since gotta make money somehow some way, right? So, um, yeah, and yeah, that's probably gonna take up quite a bit of time, along with streaming, um, apprenticeship, and also group collaboration projects. So, you know, do this. Um, in the case where if you don't have anybody, right? I'm probably like not less iffy. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So I don't want to waste. I don't want to be like commit to it. But like, yeah, I can do it. But then the time comes, it's like, oh, I cannot do it. Sorry. Um, yeah, just because I'm even. I mean, I'll be honest. Like right now, the stream, I originally was doing like every single day, but there's a lot of videos to edit, so it does. I make more work for myself. So yeah, um, yeah, yeah. I would probably yeah. I'm probably going to be that less reliable person for your montage, but yeah. But hey, if once you have that montage, right? Shoot, shoot it my way, and I would love to see it. Love to see it. Whether you have a YouTube channel on it, you know, definitely would love to see that montage. Yeah. Um. Let's see. Well, we played two games right now, right? Um. The the king. Yeah, is in this one, right? The king with the sword. I think. Yeah, I think it's probably like kind of like our game. There is some combinations, but I mean, like they were just seriously like, I didn't need, I didn't need potions. Like, didn't really need it, because my heal was like just crazy. right? I just heal myself, or yeah. Thanks, thanks, Curious. Yeah, thank you so much. Definitely, yeah. Thank you. Well, all right, Chris. Yeah, I'll see you around, right? I'll see you around. So, um, this game, it's it's interesting, but I think it could utilize some little more fine tuning. Right? Especially like when a little bit more fine tuning. Um, I would say something along the line of like there's I guess there was like a center of like the timer, like a sand timer thing, which I don't quite understand. It's like how much time you have left, right? Maybe make it a little more restrictive, so that because like the amount of time I left was I could just like accept every single side quest, and gain a lot of money from it. But you know, yeah, I just kind of guess I have a lot of money that I wasn't sure what to really kind of do with it. Do with it though. I've bought spells, and I definitely, you know, try to forget about them because like I think the strategy is like it's about number of occurrences of these cards, right? Um, and I think perhaps a good idea would be to kind of know how many cards are there. I mean, I think there was like X amount of cards, but I just didn't know is it going to be cycling? How is it cycling through these cards, right? Um, like for example, right? If I try to forget a bunch of one and then just like heal, just try to have a bunch of heals and stand, uh, was it stand back? But double damage, right? When you're half health, that could be itself be pretty powerful, right? Um, yeah, it in one and also in one sense, it's like I wasn't sure how did the exp kind of play, and there was like the spell like fire barrage. It says depending on your intellect. Um, Maybe there was an intellect aspect in there, but but yeah, I mean, yeah, just probably need some more further polishing at this point. Probably also varieties of enemies, right? Treasures, more content. That's the same thing I would be in my group and we kind of said about our game is that we needed more content rather than um, you know yeah, more content, the more things, more activities that you can do. um, you know in a better way. I would agree that this game, yeah, what this game seems to have a bit more content, or actually, yeah, maybe a little bit more like action content, versus our my team's game, where we're just handling scanning things, and so definitely, yeah, yeah. That's my full analysis on that. Um, let's see what else. What else? Ah, yeah. You know what? I was actually going to play Grizz. Uh, because the art I think the art was beautiful, but um, and, if it correct me if I'm wrong, but I think there was a pretty is a pretty more not emotional story, but more like the story is like it's the strong suit. So I kind of wanted to go and take a look into more of that because I'm a sucker for games that have really um strong narrative, or as some sort of like tactical, but narrative that is like for example Inscription, right? There you're playing a card game. There's a bunch of other things and mysteries and puzzles that your card game is a puzzle, right? Of how do you figure out what's going on around. So the narrative is very, very strong. Strange but strong. Um so let's see here. Um so we played this one. Let's see what. Oh, okay. It's a bit of a puzzle game. Okay. All right. So, you know what? Um wow, actually the time is, yeah, I definitely don't have that much time. But I think what we're going to do for next Friday is we're going to go ahead and continue. Continue go through the list of these games, and um, and actually just and actually go and play them. Um, yeah, play through them, see how I like it and whatnot. Strong suits, weak points could be improved upon. Um, and yeah, so and hopefully we could get through and play Grizz. um, definitely, join my Discord. If there's any games that you guys want me to go and look at, um, things articles to read, um, I definitely will love more content for me to talk about, more content for me to kind of share my thoughts, and chat with you guys about that. So definitely holding off on this guy. I'm holding it off. Um, that being said, so Monday, right? Mondays, yeah. So Monday we actually gotten some sound effects. Probably tidy that up, wrapping that up, and um, look at maybe start to look at some um, was it Pico music or simple. Actually, start to learn how to make music, um, in the game. Um, yeah, I think. mm, You know what? Yeah, you know what? Yeah, let's continue on the sound effects, and let's go ahead and get some sort of background music placeholder, right? Placeholder background music. So we got something, and maybe I'll host it up on itch.io. Still, yeah. So you know, sound. We're gonna work with sounds for a little bit. Um, on Monday, Wednesday would probably be a start on the art, or yeah, start on the art. We're at the point where we need to kind of work on the animations, and whatnot. So yeah, well, I mean it is 12 over here. Thank you so much for watching. Right, thank you so much for watching. I definitely appreciate the chat, the response. If you guys got some games you want me to go ahead and try out, I definitely would say please kind of host it on itch.io. I'm going to agree with what Thor has done with the game jam. I'm not going to take downloadables because security and viruses. Just because it didn't happen to you, anybody, doesn't mean it can't happen once, right? And that's no good, right? So I think that's pretty much it. So my name is Charles. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next Monday. Peace out.